Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some more cleaning motivation. This is a messy kitchen. I'll be cooking in this as well. Sharing the iced coffee drink I'm currently drinking is the Home Alone one. It's the peppermint mocha. We recently watched Home Alone 1 and 2. Those movies are classics. We also watched Elf, Gremlins, because it's kind of Christmassy. We watched A Christmas Story, which is one of Nanny's favorites, and I love it too. The Grinch so far. So what Christmas movies have you guys watched so far? And that coffee is really good, by the way. See, dirty dishes, there is stuff all on the countertops, groceries I need to put away, dishes from the night before that typically I do my dishes, but like some nights, you know, you just don't feel like it. Like I've been sick, Connor had pneumonia too, and like, you know, it was hectic around here for a while. Scrubbing these dishes. Scrubbing an ice cream bucket lid. I'm going to scrub the bucket later. You'll see that too. The ice cream was from Save-A-Lot, and honestly, it was not very good. Like, we eat some of it and ended up tossing the rest, and that was like a $7 bucket of ice cream. Yeah, it wasn't very good, just so you know. It was like World Street or something like that. It was the brand, but it was from Save-A-Lot. And we all need dish motivation, right? Does anyone else like just dread doing dishes sometimes? I know I sure do. I think it's like a common thing probably. Dreading doing the dishes. I love to cook, but sometimes I do dread the cleanup. Hastily scrubbing these dishes up, getting my kitchen back in order, and refilling the dishwater, and letting those soak while I get ready to rinse. And I'm going to rinse these dishes off and put them in the dish drainer. Anyone else ready for the holidays? I'm almost done Christmas shopping. I usually start my Christmas shopping fairly early, and this year was no different. I totally did do that. So I just have a couple more items that I'm waiting for in the mail, and a couple more items in the store, I believe, and then I'm going to be done. I'm done with the stocking, and there was just a few things I wanted to pick up. I did film a what I got my son for Christmas, and I've just been adding clips to that because I'm not done shopping. And so I could wrap before Christmas break comes, because once Christmas break gets here, I won't have any time until like late at night to wrap and stuff, which is fine, but I like to have my stuff done. So I'll have my stuff wrapped and hid, and we don't put anything under the tree until the morning of Christmas, and we've just always done it like that. So we've done it like that for 10 years, so I don't think anything's changing. We don't put, how do you guys do it? Do you leave your presents under there the entire time when your Christmas tree's up, or do you wait? Oh, and then I wanted to show this Home Bright power wash like spray stuff that's supposed to be comparable to Dawn in action. So I did a couple sprays of that, and look, it just cleaned the ice cream bucket up right away. I like dried on chocolate on it and everything. This stuff is amazing. So if you find this in your dollar deals aisle at your Dollar General, definitely grab that power wash spray or the dish spray, because it is good. And it smells really good as well. It works fantastic. So I wanted to share a clip of that with you guys. I hadn't shared that before, I don't believe. I don't even know what I'm going to use this bucket for, but I just hate to, you know, waste a good bucket. And then this microwave, yeah. Now, prepare yourself for what I'm about to show you. My microwave is a disaster. I had fixed vegetable soup and something else, and it like popped all over the microwave. This is atrocious. So we're going to clean this microwave up. I'm going to get my plate cleaned, and here is all the finished dishes drying, and the microwave plate drying as well. And then I'm going to use the Spick and Span multi-purpose cleaner for the microwave, and this does work good. I'm just going to give it a good spritz, let it sit for a second, take a few paper towels and wipe it out. And it did take 2 clean outs to get it completely cleaned up, but I'm so happy that I got this done. I finally feel like cleaning it up and doing some more deep kind of cleaning kind of things. I've been decluttering as well, but I didn't film any of that. We decluttered clothing and toys and stuff. And this candle is from the Dollar Tree. It's a vanilla candle, and I'm currently burning this, and it smells really good, just a nice vanilla scent, using the same multi-purpose cleaner to clean the countertops. And these countertops have seen better days. The owners who owned this mobile home before us destroyed these countertops. So they like were slicing stuff up on them and stuff like that. Yeah, this knife slices are not from me. Just in case anybody was wondering. Now for dinner, I'm making chicken quesadillas and fiesta potatoes, and I did a full video on fiesta potatoes. So I'm just kind of like speeding this up here, just giving you a brief of the fiesta potatoes. But this is what I'm making for dinner, and this is, you know, me going through the process of cooking, so I thought I would share this as well. I do have a video on the chicken quesadillas as well. That's both Taco Bell copycat recipes. So if I can remember, I'll link them in the cards or in the description box. This, like I said, this is just a very sped up version of that recipe. And these potatoes are fantastic, and I hope that you guys will try them out for yourselves. They're easy to make, they're super tasty. And here they are with sour cream and cheese sauce on them. And the chicken quesadilla is so yummy. And here's some Hershey footage. She's the only one. The other kitties like staying outside for the most part. They come in every now and then, but Hershey wants to stay inside. Like, Hershey's a house kitty. So 90% of the time, Hershey's inside. And she likes playing in the boxes. And she likes playing with anything she can find. She's took over my makeup chair, which is where she's at now. she's currently sleeping there right now as I'm filming this. And she likes playing, and there's Connor with the Hershey girl. Hershey girl. Kitty. Oh. I thought that was cute, so I just share that and leave it in for you guys. And she talked to me. And we got our first snow, which was beautiful, by the way. I'm not crazy about snow, but it was really beautiful. It did stick, and I didn't get any additional footage of that. We got, I would say, at least an inch or so. For the first one, we didn't go to school for a few days. We called off school. Here's my cousin's horse that's down the road a little ways, but I can see his horse. So I thought it was just really pretty in the snow. And we put our Christmas tree up. And this year Connor wanted to use the white tree, and he decorated the tree. This is a star, and these balls my nanny bought me the Christmas before she passed. She bought me these balls, and she bought me that tree topper. And that's what Connor wanted to use. So I let him place all the ornaments. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional cleaning motivation links.